Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat has stopped. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat has stopped, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to click for stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.